Free PayPal money seems appealing, but are there safe and legal ways to obtain it? It all depends on how you define free. No business will send you free PayPal money just to be nice. However, many companies, including PayPal, will pay you for things like installing an app, testing a service, introducing a friend, photographing a grocery receipt, or scanning product barcodes. While you will never become wealthy by executing these minor activities, you can earn a surprising amount of money with little effort. In fact, we gained $5 every minute when we tested our top strategy in this video. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money, as well as ways to make money online wisely. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Without further ado, let's begin. First and foremost, you can complete money-making opportunities using Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a well-known rewards and cashback website that provides a variety of ways to earn free PayPal money, including viewing short videos, exploring the web, conducting surveys, and receiving rebates through its cashback shopping portal. In fact, there are more than 20 ways to gain points on the site. To date, the company has distributed more than $500 million in prizes to its members. The points you accumulate can be redeemed for a PayPal deposit or gift cards. The site's moneymakers, which are offerings where you spend a little money upfront but are awarded more in incentives than you spent, are our favorite and the best use of your time of all the earning techniques. You can make a lot of money with these incentives, but there is usually a 30 to 60 day waiting time before the points appear in your account. Swagbucks lets you redeem your points in a variety of ways. You can choose to receive a PayPal deposit, a gift card from dozens of major merchants, or enter swag stakes, which are contests for stuff such as computers, video game consoles, and gift cards. Although most gift cards start at $3, there is no minimum withdrawal amount with Swagbucks, 300 points. PayPal deposits are often offered in the following denominations: $5, $10, $25, $50, $100, and $250. It's also worth noting that Swagbucks will only deposit payments into a PayPal account associated with the same email address as your Swagbucks account. You'll need to authenticate your account, which can take up to 10 days. It normally takes approximately 2 days to receive your rewards after you've been authenticated. After that, you can use Survey Junkie to take online surveys. Taking paid surveys through Survey Junkie is one of our top recommendations for getting free PayPal cash quickly. By far the greatest option was Survey Junkie. It's a reputable survey service that allows you to swap points for PayPal cash starting at $5, allowing you to sign up and pay out right away. And because the majority of the surveys on the site are brief and simple, it's a wonderful alternative for folks who only have a few minutes to spare during the day. When you look at the list of available surveys, you can see the compensation as well as the projected time it will take to complete the survey. The ones with the largest payouts aren't always the best choices. A poll that pays 100 points and only takes 5 minutes is preferable to one that pays 500 points but takes 45 minutes. On a frequent basis, check the site for fresh surveys. Survey Junkie has a large number of users, and each survey has a cap on the number of people who can participate. If you act immediately, you will have a better chance of getting access to the highest paying surveys. Survey Junkie pays by PayPal deposit, gift cards, or direct bank transfer. To cash out from Survey Junkie to your PayPal balance, your PayPal account must be properly validated. The minimum withdrawal amount is 500 points, which is approximately $5. Survey Junkie is one of the few sites that provide fast point redemption, making it one of the finest options for generating money quickly. You may also do online surveys with Prize Rebel in addition to Survey Junkie. Prize Rebel is a free website that rewards you for taking online surveys. Signing up takes less than 10 seconds, and you can begin completing surveys and earning points that can be redeemed for PayPal cash right now. While practically every survey company provides a referral incentive, Prize Rebels is enormous. Depending on your account level, you'll receive 15% to 30% of your referral's lifetime earnings. You can get more points by accomplishing daily objectives. You will get compensated via PayPal, gift cards to many of your favorite retailers, direct deposit to your bank, or Bitcoin. There is no minimum withdrawal amount, and some gift cards are available in as little as $2 increments. You can also withdraw your earnings in Bitcoin, which starts at $5. The majority of users receive their incentives within 24 hours of redeeming them. Gold users, who have risen to a greater level of involvement on the site, receive their rewards within 10 minutes. You can also recommend PayPal Crypto to your friends. PayPal has provided various methods to earn free money in recent years. These deals come and go rapidly, so take advantage of them while you can. One of the company's long-running promotions is a general referral bonus, which allows you to earn $10 for each new PayPal user you bring to the platform. More information about that deal can be found in the next section. The most recent offer is a promotion for the company's new cryptocurrency platform, where you can buy and trade Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin, all from within your existing PayPal account. You may simply earn up to $50 by referring a friend who must then purchase $5 in cryptocurrency. You'll both get $10 if they do. We prioritize this option above the general referral bonus since we believe it is easier to refer friends who are already on the site. All they have to do is spend $5 on cryptocurrency, which takes approximately 30 seconds. They receive a $10 bonus and can sell their cryptocurrency whenever they choose. That's a simple sell. Because your referral incentive is paid in PayPal Cash rather than cryptocurrency, it is added to your overall PayPal account balance. After your referral makes a qualified purchase, you will get rewarded 2 weeks later. Last but not least, you can recommend PayPal to your friends. You can make $10 through PayPal by sending only 1 cent to a buddy who does not have an account. You can recommend up to 5 friends and earn up to $50 in free PayPal money. Your buddy must link a bank account or a debit or credit card to their newly formed free PayPal account in order to collect the referral incentive. In addition, they must spend at least $5 through the account. The money you earn for introducing a friend is credited to your PayPal account. There is no minimum withdrawal amount, and payments are normally made within 24 hours but might take up to 2 weeks. So, that's it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. Until next time.